welcome to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub. Today I'm going to be sorting out a bit of wobble issue. Whee. So this wheel, as you can see, has a bit of play in it. That shouldn't be there. Now I found out the problem to be the upper steering arm. The bolts seem to be slightly loose, so it's just a case of taking the wheel off and stripping it down and tightening up the bolts. I'm also going to be taking off the caliper and the discs. The job can be done with that in place, but I want to take it off and just inspect for any potential issues or any wear whilst I'm in the area. So let's get on with it. So as you can see, these bolts here are the ones that I need tightening. It's just creating this little bit of play, very slight, but obviously shouldn't be there. So I need to take this big nut off. I have to pull this cotter pin out first. I can find my tools. That's the pin out, and then get the large socket to take my big nut off. Just like that. Also actually need to unbolt the caliper. There's 2 bolts for the caliper. It's just in there. And just make sure you rest the caliper on something so it's not pulling on the hoses, because that'd be bad. And then just simply remove the disc. So as I was saying, it's these 2 here, and now even though they do have this sort of washer in place which is bent up to stop any movement, there is, as you can just see, a slight bit of wiggle on there. So my guess is just wear and tear, maybe hot and cold cycles, has made that gap slightly bigger. So it's quite a simple process. Just need to open up these. There we go. Yep, as you can see, not the tightest because I can just turn them without much force. I'll give them a good pinch. Oh, dear me. Slipped off there. Trying to get them so the flats of the bolts are also lined up with the metal tabs to pinch back over it. Like so. And just bend these back up. Just like that. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to re-grease the splines on my shaft. It's nice and lubricated. Let's wipe off the old grease. In fact, where's my wire brush? Just clean it up a bit. Oil brake dust build up. Just apply some more fresh grease around here. There we go. And I'll do the same on the inside of the hub. And it's just a case of put it all back together. That's the unmistakable sound of a Ford Focus RS Mark III in the background. My brother-in-law come round to have a look at his car later today. The thing with this is you've got to tighten the centre bolt up, but also make it so the holes of the cotter pin are lined up, which that does seem to be just right. And as you can see, the play is now gone. Well, you can't see because the light's too bright. You can see there's no play in that anymore. So now it's just a case of put the cotter pin back in, put the disc brake back on. No play. Some nuts. Oops. It's just the steering moving out, no play.
Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.